All right, dude, what do we have to open?
Batman cave.
The Batcave? Cool. Why don't you bring that over here and let me see it? All right. Let's see what we have here. Cool, look at that. DC Super Friends. Whoa. DC Super Friends. Looks like there's a Batman in there. And a Robin. And there's some batarangs or something up there. Cool, and then it's Imaginext Batcave. Cool, look at that. There's Batman. I'm Batman.
Says open it.
Okay, you want to open it?
I can't when we open it.
All right, let's get them out of here. Here's
That-
Robin.
Let's get.
There's another Batman.
Open all of it.
Okay.
And here is this. And here is these. Does my Batman suit look different on the ball?
Yeah.
Here we go. How do you get it out and what the Batman's going?
I don't know. We gotta figure it out.
Whoa, there's a Batcave! There's a Batcave!
All right, we got it out of the box. Should we check it out? All right, let's check this thing out. You ready, dude? All right. What do we have here?
Right.
Looks like it's a motorcycle. So let's check this thing out. So we got a black motorcycle. Has some turquoise wheels on it. Pretty cool, huh?
Blue whales.
Blue wheels? Oh, that's pretty cool, huh? You think that's Batman's? Boom. You want to show him how it rolls? Boom. All right, let's check out. What else should we check out? So we got the Batman. Has a blue crest on it here. And then the bat symbol. He's smiling. He looks happy. His arms move. We've got a yellow belt here. And a black cape. Pretty cool. His legs move. Like that. Whoa. I'm Batman. All right. What else do we have over here? Looks like he goes up here, huh? Put Batman up there. And then we have a Robin. Pretty cool. He has a red shirt. He's got his Robin logo. Some yellow buttons, yellow belt, green pants and green hands. Oh, look, his hands turn. That's pretty cool, huh? Hey, I'm Robin. I'm Batman's sidekick. What's up? He got a mask on. He's smiling too. He has some black hair. Pretty cool. It looks like his legs move too.
Turn the Batcave.
All right.
Gonna back.
Where does he go, you think? Up here?
Yeah. Let's watch if this Batman can.
Whoa. Knocked him over.
There it
Whoa. That's pretty cool.
is. Robin. Helicopter.
Let's show him.
Helicopter.
Let's show him that again. So here we have Batman here. So we got this Batman in here, and then his little turnstile thing here. And when you turn it like this, these come out. These things come out so he can walk. And then his command center opens, and there's Joker on there. There's a Joker and a tank so he can see what's going on, who he has to help. And then there's also this like bat glider thing here. We'll check this out. Bat glider looks like you can clip one of them into it here. Looks like the bat signal. And it looks like you can fly on that thing. So it looks like we got Batman here. We'll clip Batman into there. And then he's ready to fly. Yeah. Not sure what this does.
I don't think that those steps go down.
Oh, we lost Robin again. He didn't stay up there very well. All right, so I think this pops that up maybe. Oh, there we go. He fell again. So this flips down like that and it snaps in, and then when Robin turns it, it pops up. Flip this down like this, snap into place. Then we put Robin up here, and then they get a call. Oh no, it's the Joker! And he turns it up. There it is. Now you can get on it. And we can just snap in.
Put this Batman in.
Oh, that is.
Batman.
And then it snaps in there. That's the holder for it. Put Robin back up here. All right, what else do we got here? Ah, Robin does not want to stay, huh? All right, let's see. So then we have the jail here. Oh, look at that! It swings open when you push this little button under pads here. You push, and then this swings open. You can lock people up and then snap it shut again, and then push the button, and there it opens. And who we can lock in there? Let's lock in Scar. We'll lock Scar in there.
I want to put him in.
Oh, okay. Here you go, dude. All right, put him in.
Gotta bring it closer.
Yep, he walked in there. All right, lock him in. You get it? Ah, there we go. Scar's locked up. He won't be messing with us anymore. All right, what else we got? So we can close this back up and close these. Close the command center up, and Batman's not there. And put his bike back up here. Goes.
This Batman.
Oh, go this way.
Is it this Batman's or is that Robin's?
What? The bike?
Uh-huh.
I think it's Batman's. All right, what
This
else can we so?
Batman's?
Looks like we have this mask too. Maybe we can put that on Robin, huh? You can look like Batman? No, but it doesn't really fit him. Maybe it'll fit Batman. Is he Batman?
Yes, I am Batman.
Cool, look at that. He's got a mask on him. Pretty cool, huh? So that's pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we got. So we got some steps up here. Over here. Nope. Yep, he can hang out up there. What else do we have here? Let's check out the back here. So it looks like there's this gun here that flips down or something, and there's this ramp that you can. Oh, so here's how it works. So you turn, you put one of the guys here, and you turn it. So we'll put Robin there, and we'll turn it. And see, it goes down. Push down the ramp.
People can go out back.
Yeah. And then, oh, cool. And then there's this thing under here that flips up under. You can pull it up. And there you go. So we can take our other Batmobile we have here, and you can drive up in here. Drive up. There's a Batmobile. Nice, a place to store his car. Pretty cool, huh? All right.
I can't
And then-
see. I can't see. How about
And we have these. Looks like they're some bullets here. We have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow bullets. Mhm. Yeah. So it looks like this gun over here flips down. And then you can use these bullets here. They load it in.
my back?
Yeah. And we'll put Batman, this other Batman here. And he'll shoot the bad guys. So, alright, load in the bullet. And then you push this button here. Batman's gonna push the button. Oh, look at that! Pretty cool. Let's shoot another one.
Okay.
Whoa! Alright, here. Come on, dude. Come over here and you can push one. Here comes Stan. Now push the button. Whoa! Cool! We shot it! Then we can flip this back up. Look, there's bats up here too on the Batcave. That's pretty cool. There's bats hanging. You dudes see the bats hanging? Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? And then we can flip this back up, I guess. What's that? Oh. So that you can move this. So that's pretty cool too. Look at that. You can hook in one of these. Let's get this bike out of the way for a second. You could hook one of them into here like Robin. You can hook them in and then take them up. Whoa, look at that. And then you get off and go up here. Ooh, 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 ooh. There we go. All right. That's the Batcave for you. There we have the Batcave. We should let Scar out of prison, huh? All right, you can go. Okay, so that's it. That's the Imaginext Batcave. So you dudes like the Batcave? If you like the video, please make sure you like and subscribe for more toys. Yeah!